support a support organization, typically for companies the size of SAP, is sitting on millions of tickets or cases, millions of community threads, hundreds of thousands of pieces of contents, product documentation, release notes. I mean, I can go on and on and on about the information that you have access to. Tons of repositories. So to be really successful in the predictive space, you need to build a solid, reliable, scalable data lake, which I'm not going to go through all the details here, but you're going to be facing problems with probably your legal department in whatever company you're dealing with, because we're talking about access to customer data, about how long can you store customers' data, data privacy, on and on and on. So we try to anonymize as much as possible. But if you want to do real customer profiling and reach out to the customer, to the right customer at the right time with the right information, then having access to anonymized data will work against you. Again, this is something where we've sorted out. It took a long, long time, but we sorted it out with our legal departments, with all the data privacy groups within SAP. But put legal challenges aside, if you don't have a great data lake with a governance model on which data gets stored and who gets access to it when, don't underestimate that effort. That's a pretty big effort, because everything I talked about in the previous slide is the building of the car. It's a beautiful car with a great engine, but this is the fuel. The data lake is the fuel. If you don't have the fuel to put in the car, there's going to be a useless car. So, I mean, I'm coming to the end of my presentation here. I can talk for another hour about this topic, but if I go back to my initial definition on how disrupted our industry is, and we're not going to succeed with the cloud customers unless we do things differently.